Hey guys, welcome back to another video here at Empty Paradise. So we got another Hot Wheels case unboxing. We got a case F right here for the obviously 2023 series. So we're gonna go ahead and bust this thing open, do an unboxing. Hopefully we can get the Super Treasure Hunt or at least the regular Treasure Hunt. But in a previous video, I did an Amazon Black Box unboxing and I did get the Super for the F case. So hopefully I can get it for the regular case as well. But we're gonna go ahead and open this up and get started. And if you guys have not already heard of it, there's a website called Mercari. And it's a website where you can go on and you can buy and sell pretty much anything. So a lot of the Hot Wheels I do unbox here, I do list on Mercari. So if you use the link in the description down below, you guys can go create a free account. You can go on there, you can buy, sell, whatever. When you use my link, you can get $10 off your first purchase. And then when you sell stuff up to $100, you get an additional $20 back. So $30 for free just by using Mercari. So definitely link in the description down below. Go check that out. But we're going to go ahead and get started with the case. I'm going to just carefully lay this on its side. So we can go ahead and open it up and start pulling them out. All right. Ooh, okay, we got a good start right here. So we got the Liberty Walk Silhouette Nissan Silvia S15, and we have two 2018 Copo Camaro SS's. All right, so we got a Nissan Patrol Custom, which I did notice that that's kind of bent, but oh well. Got a Subaru WRX STI, and then the Beatles Yellow Submarine. I actually had no idea they're bringing back the Beetle Submarine, but it's always kind of cool to see stuff like that. Super iconic. All right, so I got a kind of a generic car right there, and then two Mazda MX-5 Miatas. These actually look pretty cool. All right, so we have the Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7. This is like the 75th anniversary car here. And then we have kind of like a generic, and then a 1972 Stingray convertible. All right, Audi RS e-tron. Then another, oh, that's actually the Magnus Walker 1971 Porsche 911. Looks really cool that they're bringing that back. The 2018 Bentley Continental GT3. Alright, so we have a generic car, 2017 Camaro ZL1, and then another generic car. Alright, Brick and Motor, which is another generic car. Then we have the classic TV series Batmobile with kind of a new color scheme there. And then a Lotus Emira. I also got a 1970 Dodge Hemi Challenger. And then Donut Drifter, which is generic. And then we got this Dragon Wagon, which is another generic car there. Alright, so it's actually sorting through. This right here, this Donut Drifter, is actually the Treasure Hunt for this case. Right on top, you can't see it, but on the white, there's a little orange Treasure Hunt logo. And then let me shake it in the package a little bit. And right there behind the car, you can kind of see some of that text right there. This is the actual Treasure Hunt for the case. So yeah, I actually got the Treasure Hunt. Alright, another TV series, or classic TV series Batmobile, Surf and Turf, and then the 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser. Alright, so we got a generic car to start off. The Automobili Pininfarina Batista, which actually looks really cool. And then Batmobile. We did not get the Super, but we did still get obviously the regular version. So you got the generic car right there. This would have been the Super for the F case, the 1968 Mazda Cosmos Sport. The Super actually looks really cool in this. And we also got the Ducati Desert X. Alright, so we have a generic car right there, another Lotus Emira, and then an 86 Ford Thunderbird Pro Stock. Into the first half of the case, pull the divider out, and start on the bottom half. Okay. So we get the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. And then we have the El Segundo Coupe, which if you don't recognize this car, it's actually the same thing as the Clip Coupe, if you know what that is. And then another Batmobile. Alright, we've got a couple generics right here, and then another Batmobile. Alright, so I got the, I don't even know how to pronounce this, Demakini Veloci? I'm not even sure. 32 Ford and the Audi RS e-tron. Alright, so got a couple generics right here on top, and then another Ducati X, or Desert X. So another Automobili Pininfarina Battista. We got another 1970 Dodge Hemi Challenger, and then another classic TV series Batmobile. Next we got a 72 Corvette or Stingray convertible. Then we got a kind of generic school bus here, and then the GMC Hummer EV. Ooh, okay. It's got a 73 Honda Civic Custom, another 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser, and then we got a DMC DeLorean in a really nice kind of blue with gold wheels. Do kind of like that color. I also got a Ford Escort RS 2000, and one of the problems with these big cases right there is you can kind of see there's a crease right there in the card, but that's the risk. Another Porsche 911 75th anniversary, and then a generic. Ooh, that looks really good. All right, let me show you guys. The Renault Sport RS01. The thing looks really cool. And then an Audi 90 Quattro. Looks really cool there. And then another GMC Hummer EV. Got another El Segundo Coupe. A generic car, and then a Dodge Viper RS10 or RT10. Ooh, that looks really nice. 2017 Pagani Huayra Roadster. That looks really nice in that blue with that interior and then those wheels. Got another 86 Ford Thunderbird Pro Stock, and then another DMC DeLorean. And the last three cars in the case. Okay. Got 70s van. I know a lot of people were loving that. It spells like different words, kind of like on the side of the van there. And then we have the Audi 90 Quattro, another one of those, and another Mazda Cosmo Sports. So we did not get the Supercharger Hunt, but that's fine. Maybe I'll get another one in an upcoming unboxing video, because there will be a lot more videos to come. If you guys do want to pick up some of these, like I said, if you go check out Mercari, you can probably search them on there. There's a bunch of people selling and buying stuff on there, so it's a great website for that. So link in the description down below. If you guys do want to pick up an Amazon Black Box, there's also going to be a link in the description down below for that. Those cases are right here. So we got 16 cars that come in each one. It's a smaller case, as you can see, but it does have the newer cars for each case, and they are lettered just like these main cases. Like this is case F. I mean, it's obviously A through whatever. So if you guys want to pick up any of that, links in the description down below. If you guys like this video, hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. But as always, thank you for watching.